Most of today's African and Nigerian blacksmiths use this method of turning the wheel to fan their flames. Some, however, still use the traditional approach. This involves carving out logs into modern air pumps. Iron pipes are then attached to them and wrapped with vehicle tire inner tubes with long sticks attached to them. They are then inserted into a mud-built vent to properly concentrate the pumped air. Between these two approaches, which do you think will pump more air?